This is objectively the craziest city in all of South America. This is the Times Square of Paraguay. It's shopping capital. This is Ciudad del Este, or CDE. This is a boiling pot of Brazilians, Argentinians, and Paraguayans. The national police just got involved. Every day here is Black Friday. You can buy anything here in this city. Honey-flavored liquid Viagra. This one is $35,000. I have to do 3 things. 1, buy a baseball hat for my buddy back in Brazil. Number 2, I have to buy a new drone because I crashed my old one. And 3, my boots spontaneously combusted. They're covered under warranty. I have to exchange these boots. You can get many electronics here for the same price, if not less, than the USA. The risk that people face, Ciudad del Este, it's the Chinese knockoff capital of South America. Magic Bori. So you have to be aware of who you're buying from. And the moment of truth. Is there a drone in here? I'm Quinn James. I'm riding 1 million kilometers around the world solo. It's the longest motorcycle journey in human history. Just getting into and out of this city is exhausting. Many frontier cities in Paraguay have no taxes on many items for tourists. Ciudad del Este is the most infamous because it sits on the frontier of 3 different countries, Brazil, Argentina, and Paraguay. So many tourists will enter Paraguay early in the morning, buy what they need to buy, and then spend the rest of the day trying to get out of the city. So these guys get a small kickback from all the department stores for helping individuals find parking at the actual store. If you buy anything from the department store, you get parking for free.
Yeah.
Up first, I need to exchange these boots. I can park my motorcycle at Macro Sport for free and run and do all my errands by foot.
Hey, muchas gracias, señor. Hey, perfecto. Hey, muchas gracias, señor.
That is the worst traffic I've ever experienced in Ciudad del Este. Honestly, I'm pretty tired. I could just take a nap right now, I think. If you were in Paraguay and you passed through CDE, Macro Sport, this is the store you go to. It has absolutely everything. I am going to check out 3 different stores to find the best price on the DJI Neo 2 drone. I'm going to check out Shopping Roma, Nice, and Cell Shop. First store to look for a drone, Shopping Roma. This building behind me, this is the store that imports all the electronics for the other stores to be able to buy stuff. I bought my iPhone here for like $1,100, including tax.
Yeah. Mismo.
One thing that I love about this store is they have like a pro filming policy where I've been assaulted in other stores because someone they just don't know what's going on. They're totally happy if you film inside it. That's me. How cool is this toy area? They always have like really cool toys, like variations that I might not see in the USA. They do not have the Neo 2 that I'm looking for. I'm heading to my second store, Nice, but I'm going to shop around for all the Chinese knockoffs on my way there.
¿Cuánto cuesta por eso? Yes. Dude, it's pretty sick.
What jersey do you sell the most of?
Gustavo Gomez.
Gomez, $20. ¿Tiene Kobe?
¿Cómo?
Kobe? No me gusta LeBron. ¿Tiene Kobe? No. Gracias.
I just slammed the shit out of my head on one of those metal pieces.
Okay, so right now we're approaching Times Square of Paraguay. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is all traffic. These cars aren't parked here. Traffic is just backed up that bad.
And there's like no special event happening today. This is just normal. It's a weekday. It's Tuesday. About 70% of everyone you see here is a daytime tourist who enters Ciudad del Este in the morning and then takes off in the evening about 4 or 5 p.m. back to their home country.
Sí, mucho paciencia. ¿Cuántos tiempo tienes que esperar? 4 horas in tráfico. Gracias. She just said you have to have a lot of patience when you're visiting this city. What's up, man? She's been waiting here for 4 hours.
That guy drove his car from Rio de Janeiro here. That's a 37-hour drive round trip.
$8 for these guys.
Usually I'd never film in public with this many people out, but the traffic is kind of a natural deterrent because if someone does grab your phone, it's gonna be really tough for them to make out anywhere.
So do you say alfajor or alfajor? Got a little bit of dulce de leche right there. It's kind of like caramel.
It is not pronounced douche de louche. Here, you're expected to haggle. Even the giant commercial stores will haggle with you.
Yeah.
So I wasn't even going to counter offer, but this guy, Rob, he's super duper cool. He just offered to sell the magnets to me for 10,000 Guarani, $1.50 each.
I mean, I love Paraguay, so yeah. So I just gave Robert 2 stickers, and he was like, I'm gonna hook you up with charging cable. And this guy, dude, super nice guy. This is the store. If you come here, it is right on the other side of Brands. Thank you, man.
What fruit do you sell the most of?
Bananas. ¿Cuántos frutas vendes cada día?
He sells about $150 worth of fruit every single day. He works 8 hours every single day.
So this city grew out so fast, whereas normal stuff, right? Like you'd expect this to have like stoplights. There are no stoplights here. And instead they rely on these police officers, which do an incredible job coordinating the traffic. Like his job has to be exhausting.
Is this area dangerous?
No.
Tranquilo. Por eso, ese de cabezas.
The national police just got involved there. Okay, so I am getting close to Nice. Nice. Bueno, señor.
Heredero Paraguay.
Después. Gracias, señor. Claro. Of course.
So this entire shopping district is built on the side of a cliff. I don't know if you can see the slope on this street, but it's crazy. And this isn't even the busiest I've seen this store.
So this is the identical laptop I work on every day. Tax-free here, you're gonna pay $1,550.
Almost everything will have 2 different prices.
Cash or card?
Yeah, Tingo Cash.
Cash, you'll save about 10%. And you can typically negotiate on both these prices.
$4.59.
And I'm going to try my last store, Cell Shop.
¿Cuánto cuesta por este?
$7.
$7. $7. $10 on that side, $7 here.
So those honestly weren't terrible fakes. The logo was printed correct. That's the Stanley logo. Someone got the vector, redrew the vector for the logo, and then you'll get to other items that aren't necessarily the best knockoffs.
$50 for this guy right there.
So I actually might buy this Harry Potter kit. If you want me to make a video review, leave me a comment. Let me know.
And then you've got the basilisk snake. You got Hermione, Harry, Ron. I don't know who she is.
You know, this place is hit or miss if I can film in here, but I'm gonna tell someone and they should be cool with it.
That's so cool. You can get this guy for $5,500. This one is $35,000.
Cell Shop actually doesn't intend to sell any of these robots. This robot is known as a Halo product, and they carry this item just for the prestige, so then people can either A, talk about the item, or B, associate Cell Shop with selling very high-ticketed, prestigious items.
That's pretty cool. You could throw passengers in the back seat.
Cell Shop's being pretty cool. They're gonna sell for a discounted rate. I told them Nice has the same exact price, same exact kit. Cell Shop is gonna sell it to me for a few dollars less. Cell Shop is willing to sell me the drone in cash for $450. So the motorcycle store closes at 4:30. That's where I have my motorcycle parked. So I need to get back there, grab cash, come back to Cell Shop, and then pay for my drone
every store is going to be open until 3. And some close at 3, some close at 4, and then your last ones will close at 5. And that's because most of the people here are Brazilians coming in to buy duty-free goods. See, Shopping Roma is closed already. Oh, perrito. Hey, you're a beautiful dog. Scoot over, head. My money, headed back to the store. Let's go. What's up for Venom? 12. And you can hear all the garage doors closing right now. I am back. Okay, I have 15 minutes to buy it and get back to Macro Sports. So right here, you pay. You will have to go pick it up in a different spot. This is mi pasaporte.
450.
Okay, listo. Gracias. Oh, okay, so they're not taking my money because it has a dirt on the face. If you are going here, have like the freshest bills ever. These are like blue dollars, right? With stripe, the ribbon, and they still were like, we're not gonna accept dirty bills. So I was able to wipe it off. It wasn't like permanent damage. And they accepted it. She was nice enough. Now I have to go to the 5th floor. Yep. Con gusto. Okay. Yes. And then I have to take this little guy that is proof of purchase, and then I'll line up upstairs on the 5th floor, hand this to them, and then I get my drone. 5 more combo, bundle, controller. Sí, por favor, prefiero. Okay, gracias, señor. So I bought this drone for $450. It's the 5 more kits. It's got the batteries. It's got the controller. I didn't pay tax. And the moment of truth. Is there a drone in here? Here is the controller. You've got the extra batteries, the propellers. There is the drone right there. It's everything. Everything is inside the box. It's all good to go. I've got the adapter. I'm pumped. I'm gonna play this guy. If you enjoyed this video, you can subscribe. That way I know I can keep making these really wacky, weird videos and you guys enjoy watching them.